Hello everybody, this is James George. I'm here with our latest breakthrough in the ITR design. And this is a design I've been working on for some time. I finally have a prototype here ready to show you guys. And the big breakthrough in this is that if you happen to break the thread, see the reel just retracts normally, but let's say you break it, then normally you would be faced with sucking the air out to try to get the thread out that way, or you could take the reel apart. But with this new design, you just push the clip here, which releases it, and then you can separate it right there. And as you can see, you can pull the reel entirely out just like that. So you can grab the thread here, and then here, I'll just give you a quick demo. You can just slide this back, make sure the thread goes into a little slot we put in the side of the reel, and then let go of it and make sure it's rotating properly. As you can see, it is. And then you would just wind the thread. You have to push the clip down, and then you just slide that back, and then it's pretty much fully reset. You may have to wind the thread back into the wax ball at this point, depending on how much of the thread you broke off and so forth, because it's going to retract it back up to the reel just like that, as you can see. And the other thing too is, like the original Boss design, you can pull the caps off. We've made some improvements here, so the reel's not all falling apart and the plugs aren't coming out and you're having problems with that either. So that's been improved upon. You don't have to worry about pulling these off and having the reel come apart, especially because you're going to need to do that in order to, let's say you don't want to pull out a bunch of thread and wind it into the wax ball. You can just put additional tension on the reel by rotating it just like this, or loosening the tension depending on whatever you desire in that regard. But then you just push the caps back on gently, and then the reel is all set to go again. As you can see, the wax ball is going, oh, it looks like I kind of loosened the tension a little, but if you go the opposite direction, it'll tighten it and so forth. So either way you do it, as you can see, it's very simple to reset the ITR now. And that's the big breakthrough. And also, we're looking for some investors in this project, as I need some funds for marketing and to get it into production, get a website built and those things. So maybe if you have like $1,000 or something you can put into it, we're going to double your money in 2 years' time, maybe faster if we can, depending on how the marketing goes and everything. And then I'm looking up to $5,000 to be invested in this project, and hopefully maybe some of you guys can help us out here and make that happen. So thanks again. This is James George signing off, and I hope you guys enjoyed this new ITR we're going to be releasing hopefully by Christmas this year. All right, thank you guys.